Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, it is a winter wonderland outside right now, so we're going to be working on the Mustang in the garage. Today what we're going to do is install a grill delete kit. We're going to replace this honeycomb grill right here with a grill delete kit from LMR. Here is the grill delete kit right here from LMR. American Muscle also makes one, but they're a little bit different. So on the LMR kit, at the bottom of it, there are these 4 posts. These 4 posts go into the front bumper, and then they're held on by these pinch clips underneath. With the American Muscle delete kit, they don't have these 4 posts. They just have 2 clips that are glued onto the bottom, and they've been known to break off, or at least that's what I've seen. And if that happens, it starts making noise because it starts flapping on their front bumper. So I wanted something that was going to be a little bit more secure. That's why I went with LMR. Also with the kit, you have these screw rivets that are going in either side of the grill delete kit. I chose the chrome horse. You can also get the black horse if you want. These T25 bolts to secure the pony. Let's get this started. To do this install, we need to pop the hood. We need to take out the 2 front lights. It's gonna make it a little bit easier for us. And then from there, we basically just remove the old honeycomb grill and put the new grill delete kit in and button everything up. Shouldn't take more than about 15 minutes or so. Here are the tools that we have for it. You're gonna need a screwdriver for the screw rivets, flathead screwdriver to help you get those rivets out. I have a flex neck socket wrench. This is gonna help us get underneath the front bumper. There are 4 7mm bolts that we're gonna have to take off in order to get the honeycomb grill out. And then we also have this T25 Torx. So this is gonna be what helps us install the pony. We're gonna try to do this install while keeping the front bumper on the car. The other way to do it is completely remove the front bumper. Hopefully this flex neck socket wrench will help us get the old honeycomb grill off without having to remove the front bumper. Now that we're under the hood, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off this cover just to make it a little bit easier. This is held on by 4 screw rivets. So as you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll take this piece off. Then we have the screw rivets on the front fender and then the remaining screw rivets that are on the honeycomb grill. So we're gonna undo all those rivets. We're also gonna take out the headlights, and that'll give us a little bit more room to get behind the front bumper. And then hopefully from there, we can just pull back on the honeycomb grill a little bit to get underneath the front bumper, take that flex neck socket wrench with the 7mm socket on it, and then undo those bolts that are actually underneath the honeycomb grill, underneath the front bumper. Now that we have everything cleaned up, it's time to install the grill delete. So we have these 4 holes here that we need to match up with these right here underneath. Then we're gonna put those pinch clips on the bottom from underneath the front bumper. Get the plastic piece in. So what I'm gonna do is put the headlights back on, put the radiator cover back on, and then after that, we'll put the finishing touches on with the horse. There we go, that's the grill delete kit right there. So not too hard, only takes about like 20 minutes or so. Make sure you have the right tools before you get started. For me, I like the Mach 1 look, it looks much cleaner. I'll leave a link in the description below for where I got it on LMR. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. And again, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next video.